Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Come and let me show you how we can make some grater cakes. So guys, this is my coconut, and I've cleaned the outside of it, and yeah, that's it. I'm going to make grater cake. Yeah. So guys, to my pot, I'm adding 1 cup of water, and also I will be adding 3 cups of sugar to my pot and allow to dissolve. And also, these are my ingredients. This is my almond extract and my vanilla extract, and this is a piece of ginger. I just cleaned the outside and cut in 4. And in my container I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla and almond, and also added my ginger. Now I've moved this to my pot and stir to allow the sugar to dissolve, and allow my ginger to boil also, because you don't want to have the ginger in your mouth. So I'm just gonna allow it to cook in my pot. So here I go, stirring and stirring. So guys, here I'm adding my coconut, and I will allow my coconut to cook. Also, I am allowing the water to dissolve so we can get this thickness from the sugar. The sugar will have this thickness to it. Allow the coconut to be like gummy, stick together. Yes. So there I'm parting it, and the smaller size I will add the smaller size I'm gonna add food coloring, red food coloring to that, and the larger side will remain the same. Okay. And here I have my food color. I put my food color on this, and this I used like 2 drops of food coloring, the gel one, not the water one. And there I go, spreading my my red coconut over it's not white, but I'm gonna say white. It's the white one, and just spreading that there, get it all over it. And yeah, that's it. Cover it, allow it to sit for maybe an hour or 2, and allow you like push the red into the white and allow them to stay there and dry. And yeah, that's it. It's a quick, simple and easy treat for you and your family. Yes guys, so I'm still pushing them together. So there it is. So guys, if you have made it this far to my video, why not subscribe? So guys, after 2 hours, this is my finishing product. This is what it looks like. And guys, I'm telling you, you are gonna try this. You are gonna continue to eat this. This is so good. This is really good. So yes guys, please remember to like my video, share, subscribe, drop a comment, and guys, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys. Guys, if you're new here, because I know I have some new people here, I want to tell you thank you for the support. Thank you for joining my channel, and mwah, love you guys. Bye bye.